Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Green beans are flavorful and they can be cooked in many different ways. The most important example is the Thanksgiving green bean casserole. Recently, with the proliferation of Chinese buffet, stir-fried green bean garlic has gained increasing popularity. The most attractive aspect of this dish is its convenience. It could be prepared in the wok in less than 3 minutes. Green bean could be prepped in different ways, depending on how it is going to be cooked. The first way is to use a pair of scissors to cut off both ends of the green beans, and this pretty much maintains the original size. The second way is to cut off the end and then cut the bean green diagonally. For the stir-fried green bean with garlic dish, the first way is preferred. It maintains the original size, it's easier to eat, and it feels like a piece of French fries. For stir-fry with other ingredients such as chicken and other vegetable, the second method is preferred because it allows it to blend better with other food ingredients. In this video, I'm going to describe a method with the efficiency being in the forefront. To stir-fry green bean to its desired texture takes time. It usually takes as long as 10 minutes, and most of the time, it is too long. Therefore, it just makes sense to divide the cooking into 2 stages, with the first stage to soften the texture of the green bean. The second stage is to stir-fry the green bean with garlic. It is during this stage where flavor molecules are generated. The first stage could be carried out by either boiling the green bean or microwave it. I choose microwaving it because it is more efficient. I microwave 1 pound of green bean in a container with a small amount of water for 1 minute at the highest setting. The next step is to stir-fry the green bean with garlic in the wok. In the following, I will provide some tips on how to maximize this process. Number 1, draining the water. Make sure the green beans are dry. If necessary, dry them with a piece of paper towel. This is important because even with the presence of smell of water, it will reduce the temperature of the oil and it makes the frying less effective. Number 2, temperature of the oil. It should be as hot as possible. Start out by turn the heat setting to high. When the oil starts to smoke slightly, turn down the heat. This represents the smoking point of the oil, and this is as hot as the oil could reach. When you add the green bean, the temperature will drop, and so by having the oil as hot as possible, you will have the least amount of temperature reduction. After stir-frying the green beans for a few seconds, you can turn the stove setting back to high. Number 3, garlic. Add the minced garlic to the green bean after stir-frying it for about 10 seconds. Both freshly minced garlic and pre-minced garlic works. The freshly minced garlic are more potent, so it will need less. You can adjust the amount of garlic to your taste preference. After stir-fry the green bean and the minced garlic for about 1 minute, you can add a small amount of water to steam the green bean to achieve the desired texture. Skip this step if you prefer a more crunchy texture. Number 5, seasoning. Normally, just salt and pepper will do the job, but in this example, I season the dish with one of my seasoning mix. In another example, I seasoning the dish with a mixture of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce. With a few quick stir, the dish is done. The total cook time is 4 minutes, with 1 minute in the microwave oven and 3 minutes in the wok. Number 6, prepping. I find cutting and washing the green bean in advance extend their storage in the refrigerator. However, they do not last as long as some other vegetables such as broccoli, and they usually should be used within 5 days. In future videos, I will demonstrate how to create variations of this basic template. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.